What's up, guys? DJ Burn. Today back in another video, and today we're going to be making slime. Yay! We're gonna be like eye decoration to it, and see how it turns out. So yeah. Excuse me. I don't know what that was. Okay, yeah. Let's go to the slime making place. Okay, so we're at the slime making place. Two napkins to make sure there's no mess. Slime kit. It's not sponsored, by the way. Okay, all these stuff in there. All this beads, foam beads. I will do this slime. I will go do this slime. And yeah. Let me open this real quick. Hold up. Yeah, just open the slime. How it looks really cool. So satisfying. It looks cool. Oh shoot. We're gonna fix this slime. Gonna fix the slime, and we're gonna make it better. Alright? But it's hard to make this better. Okay. I think it needs more activator, but it's activator makes it stretchy. I mean, kind of stretchy. So, make a mess. Okay. So, I will be rolling a dice, and I will see what it lands on. And I would choose out of all these beads, or foam beads. This is 6. So I will be rolling a dice, and then I will see how much we actually get. Why am I talking loud on Mr. Beast? I don't know. Because I don't know. Okay, so I have the dice up here on Google. Maybe it's gonna be on the screen. And so it's gonna roll the dice and pick the 6 dice. And anywhere below 6, that's what it's gonna land on. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, I hit 4. Okay. So put them in order. If not, it's okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I got the little beads. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna add one more color of foam beads. So I'm gonna mix it. Don't know where I'm gonna land on. Alright, dice will be up here again. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Here's number 1. So we got some green foam beads to it. And yeah. Okay. So let's get on to making our slime. Alright. So, okay, I'm gonna add all those ingredients to my slime. Talking a little louder just so you guys can make sure you hear others. Okay, so first we will be adding the rainbow foam beads to it. So they should okay. Oh, that feels weird. Doesn't feel as appetite. Let me clean up the mess with the slime. Oh my. Okay, now this feels weird. And now it's time to add the green foam beads. Let's get it out. I predicted it yesterday was good. Okay. Oh, guys, look at that. Let's see that. Very show you guys a little ASMR real quick. Guys, check this out. I had a lot of good. Sorry, it's a little some technical difficulties. Okay, this is how the slime looks. So wait, stretchy. Oh, okay. Spill some foam beads. I'm not gonna do that again. Okay, now I'm gonna clean this up because this is a mess. A mess comes out. Another one comes in. This is glitter. Another pack of glitter. Forgot what these are called. These like flakes. These are colored flakes, I think. Got more flakes and more. These one I'm not gonna roll the dice on because I just want to add. I just want to add like most of them. Because I've never, like I haven't had experience with glitter before, so yeah. First I'm gonna add these like purple flakes. I hope it's not gonna hurt like if I like touch it. Because I didn't have like flakes. Okay, good thing it's not showing. Oh, these flakes are actually kind of cool. Okay. Now I'm going to add get the pink flakes. This time is gonna like. Oh, now let's put my flakes. Yeah. Whatever goes on the floor will sweep up, or whatever's on the bed, you know, it's gonna stay there. Okay. Whoa, this is cool. But I'll show you guys the slime up close after the putting out the ingredients. I'm trying to do this quick, but I'm excited to do it for you, so I'm putting that for last. These spill. I'm gonna add more of these. Let's make the slime look pretty cool. It's at first it's all like a regular dark blue, but now it's turning a little it's turning more light. It's like a light blue. This is cool. This is so heckin' cool. Don't know how to open this. I think I should yeah, okay, I'll show you guys when I can finally open this packet. Okay, since the glitter is messy as heck, I'm gonna have to do this on the floor. Slime looks so far, you know. And plus, let me know if you can open the glitter, because I can't. Let me try right now. Exactly, see? I can't even open the glitter. Yeah. And that's the bottom line, because DJ Burden said so.